Something inside your body has been working against you your entire life. It is not disease, it is not bad luck. Tonight, we open the case file and expose exactly what it is.
Your body has a built-in aging accelerator. Scientists have known about it for decades. It operates silently inside every single one of your cells, and almost nobody is talking about what it truly does.
Those orange zones are accelerated cellular aging happening in real time, not in 20 years, not someday, right now, inside your body today. The question is, who is responsible for this? Meet your primary suspect, mitochondrial dysfunction. This organelle inside every cell was designed to be your power plant. Something went wrong. Its damage signature appears at every single aging crime scene without exception. By age 25, this decline has already started inside you. By 40, your mitochondria operate at only 60%. By 60, this is not from function. But mitochondrial dysfunction does not work alone. It has a direct accomplice, senescence that refuse zombie, sitting inside your tissue and releasing a toxic signal that poisons every healthy neighboring cell. This is not one organ. By age 45, senescent cells have infiltrated your brain, heart, liver, skin, and muscles. 37 trillion cells total, and millions of them now actively working against your longevity every single day. Why does your body allow this destruction to continue? Why did evolution leave this door wide open? The answer rewrites everything you think you know about aging. Evidence solvable. And NAD. This molecule is your cellular fuel. It powers DNA repair, mitochondrial function, and engine every half. Age 50, half of it is gone. Your biological engine has been running on empty for years. Evidence file 2. Inflammaging. Your zombie cells are not dormant. They are actively broadcasting poison throughout your body. Scientists call it SASP. It triggers chronic low-grade inflammation. Evidence file 3. Every cell division shortens your chromosome caps. Your cell stops dividing correctly and joins the zombie army when they run out. Your birth started this countdown.
Evidence file 4. Epigenetic Noise. Your DNA doesn't change, but your cell's gene activation instructions do over decades. Dr. David Sinclair at Harvard calls this the main aging information loss. Cells literally forget how to function young.
4 issues are not separate. This criminal system is closed. Each mechanism feeds the next sequentially. NAD plot drops, mitochondria fails, zombie cells multiply, inflammation rises, DNA scrambles, then drops again. This loop tightens every year you wait. The crime began at 25. At 35, you feel it. Fatigue, slower recovery, brain fog that will not clear. By 45, your doctor begins finding this. An accelerated metabolic process, something you choose daily. Your lifestyle isn't just unhealthy. It funds your cell-dwelling criminals 24/7. Accomplice 1. Ultra-processed food. Every serving this cells finnes like hanger products in. You might the allowed your treaty and direct your salvage and potter. Accomplice 3. Chronic stress. Cortisol does more than affect mood. It directly shortens telomeres, fragments zonas software, and terminal. Every sustained stress cell ages you biologically and provably. Accomplice 2. Poor sleep. The brain's glymphatic system removes toxic waste from neurons during second hours during 7 months. Toxin kinonons every night of poor sleep accelerates neurological aging. Evolution optimized your biology for reproduction, not longevity. Your reproductive window ended, reducing your cellular repair budget. The building maintenance crew was gone. It was a deliberate evolutionary feature. 4 biological criminals, 3 lifestyle accomplices, all operating in coordination and synchronous day. And in the next act, we flip this entire investigation on its head and build the defense.
Here is where this investigation completely changes direction. Every single criminal mechanism we just identified and documented has a scientifically validated countermeasure waiting for it. Countermeasure 1, NMN, nicotinamide mononucleotide. Give your cells this molecule and watch what follows. Dr. David Sinclair at Harvard takes 1 gram every single morning.
Countermeasure 2, Fisetin. This flavonoid is a senolytic. It specifically targets and eliminates your zombie cells. Imagine removing published shots of up to 70% of cell-to-tissue model. Countermeasure 3, Resveratrol activates your sirtuin proteins, the biologics of your epigenome. Combined with NMN, this pair forms the most documented combination in current longevity science research. Countermeasure 4, Spermidine triggers autophagy, your cell's cleanup system. All cellular debris, damaged proteins, and mitochondria send to life spermidines, multiple organs and rumen. Countermeasure 5, Deep sleep optimization. This is not simply about hours of sleep. It is about maximizing slow-wave sleep specifically. When your Countermeasure 6, Strategic fasting. Something biochemically remarkable happens at 16 hours of fasting. So intermittent fasting is a cellular maintenance protocol, not a diet trend.
Countermeasure 7, and exercise directly affects molecules. New mitochondria are grown during modern infant pericardium. Resveratrol are 2 of your 4 main biological criminal. No supplement does this.
8 countermeasures, each one neutralizing a specific criminal mechanism identified in evidence files. And they compound its weights, and the entire hack loses critical power. Countermeasure 8, deliberate cold exposure. 3 minutes of cold water triggers a 300% norepinephrine said brown fat patents, Friggins, TGC1 alpha pathway through the PGC1 upgrade confirmed. Chronological age is fixed. It moves in only one direction. Biological age is not back to preferring to an average of 3.23 degree in only 8 weeks of consistent application.
Brian Johnson, 47 years old, has run the most extensively documented human longevity experiment in recorded history. His current biological age measurements place
Your annual physical measures none of the mechanisms we investigated today. Standard blood panels do not check your NAD levels, telomere length, senescent cell burden, or biological age. The verdict in this investigation is not a life sentence. It is a conditional ruling. Your accelerated biological age reversal. The research this intervention is valid when it begins earliest.
Morning protocol. 4 97 steps. 1. Preliminary shower immediately on waking. 2. 20 minutes direct sunlight within 6 minutes of waking through an angular circadian repair cycle.
The investigation is closed. The action file is now open. I am giving you the exact coordinated protocol, morning, evening, and weekly, that directly targets every criminal mechanism we identified and documented together. An afternoon protocol. Break your fast between 12 and 2 p.m. with whole food. Specifically, eliminating endogenous active vasopathogens that continue operating throughout the entire following night. Evening protocol. Eliminate all blue light 90 minutes before sleep. Lower room temperature of 65 to 60 Fahrenheit. Include Spermidine 6 restatic or deep your final meat. Weekly cellular architecture matters. For mitochondrial biogenesis, Zone 2 cardio, 3 days of weekly resistance training for IGF-1, a weekly 18-hour fast for deep autophagy activation. The complete stack compounds strongly because of this. And NAD fuels cells, where the Resveratrol repair, Fisetin removes path debris, Spermidine clean castically without one link. Realistic protocol timeline. Week 1, NADs rebuilds, improving energy and mental clarity. Deep sleep quality in between sessions, reflowing Merkel 2 week for and third unfavorable body dilation. Critical warning before case closes. Metformin and wrapping pranic green light and reversatrus direct control fats and can never aim drop lights votes, but for my tame for safety. 3 ways to test this protocol in your body. Set your baseline with an epigenetic biological age test, like True Age or MyDit at 90 age, and retest it weekly. Complete case. 4 biological criminals with validated measures. 3 lifestyle partners with proven direct interventions. The evidence is single, the tool in your hands is whether you'll use them. I am challenging you to 90 days, not because it is a round number, but because peer-reviewed research shows measurable epigenetic age reversal for Twinsie and Manny and Diunic for Christian Doe. 3 case files are ready for you, all about fasting, timing, science-based fasting, and what breaks a cellular fast. The most underutilized free longevity intervention available to everyone watching this is the Sleep Architecture Protocol. BioAge Labs believes biological age reversal is now science. Anyone with this information can act today. Everyone deserves it presented clearly. Honest weekly investigations continue. You deserve to know everything the research finds. Your biological age is not your verdict. It is your evidence. It tells you exactly where you are. The next case file drops this week. Do not miss it.